Hello friends, welcome to Kiddie Bank.
Hello children. Today I am going to tell you a story, The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time, there lived an ant and a grasshopper. Grasshopper was very lazy. It was a beautiful spring day. The grasshopper was singing, dancing, and enjoying all the day. Suddenly, he noticed an ant marching along, carrying some seeds.
Where are you going, Mr. Ant? With that load?
I am carrying some sweets to my home. I am collecting food for the rainy days.
Instead of working for the whole day, why don't you come and join with me? It is a beautiful spring day. Come, let us enjoy it together.
Mr. Grasshopper, why don't you join with me and collect some food for rainy days for your family?
Ha 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 ha! I have lot of food right now. Why should I think about the rainy days?
The ant was very intelligent and started to collect more and more food before the rainy days. One day, it started raining. The rains came much earlier than before. The ant was happily enjoying at home with his family. Couldn't find a place to stay and anything to eat. So he went to the ant home and begged for food and shelter.
Is anybody there? Please help me. I am your friend Grasshopper. I need shelter. It is very cold. I am very hungry too. Please give me something to eat.
Don't worry, Grasshopper. I have plenty of food with me. Please come inside, my dear friend.
The grasshopper went inside along with the ant. The ant gave shelter to the grasshopper and offered him food to eat and water to drink.
Thank you, Mr. Ant. I am feeling better now. Hereafter, I will never laugh at others and will keep working. I promise.
The moral of the story is, if you do not work at the time of working, later you will face difficulties. Thank you.
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel Kiddie Bank.